Hello all of you, my dear friends, it's official. CoinShares has asked the Nasdaq to list an XRP ETF. There is also a Bitcoin ETF called XRP that has done very well. We will talk about it today. Because of this, Nasdaq is working to make the CoinShares XRP ETF and Litecoin ETF list more famous. The XRP ledger is ready, so today we can talk about what happens if everything is tokenized. We can also talk about technical review. What should we look forward to with XRP soon? The market capitalization of cryptocurrencies stays pretty steady. We can see that the market is still worth more than $3 trillion. Bitcoin is trying to go up, but it has now gone back above $100. It's not going below $190. As long as this turnaround happens again, the bullish cycle for Bitcoin is likely to keep going. We look at how the market is still nervous even though Bitcoin is pushing out other cryptocurrencies and taking up capital. Even so, sellers and investors are worried. Since altcoins haven't gone up much, and some have even dropped below the level they were at before November, we can't say that people are happy or even neutral. Instead, there is hopelessness. XRP is worth $140 billion on the market right now. It is still behind Tether. XRP needs $1 billion to pass Tether and stay in fourth place in terms of market value. The price wants to go up a lot, at least to $3, and stay there. We haven't seen this yet, but that doesn't mean we won't see it again. We can see that a trade variety has grown on the weekly time frame. Without a doubt, it's between $2.30 and $2.46. Every day we're able to stay within the small range of change. This trend line doesn't need to be used anymore because there has been no breakout and the price has not settled above the $2.46 resistance area. Because of this, we can't talk about bullish mood right now. The buyers look like they are weak. We're sorry, but we can't see stable change for XRP right now. The biggest amount that you can expect is about $2.60, but it's hard for XRP to even get to the stage. According to a bearish view, $1.99 is a key level if XRP actions go down. If XRP stays below $2.30 for a while, it will almost certainly move toward $1.99. The modern method is pretty clear when it comes to the main player's plan. It's not really anything special. Large companies have almost used up all of the XRP they have been saving up since 2018 in preparation for 2022. There was a big correction because whales and companies that deal with whales were selling XRP for more than $3. If someone had done the right thing, they could have sold lower back for twice as much. XRP for about $1.77, or you could even make money with it. Right now, XRP is holding back. I'm worried though about the fact that we buy and sell stock for less than $2.60. This is a clear sign that an upward trend is not likely to keep going anytime soon. If XRP doesn't rise above $2.60 this week, people who are bullish on it might have to wait a long time. Also, prices may stay the same in a band that doesn't move. In addition, we can see a drop back to around $1.90. This could be enough to shake out the small players who sold XRP for $3. From the point of view of theoretical factors, this is what I think. In the long run, it's clear that breaking the record set in 2025 could be very important. If you remember, the all-time high was $3.30 in 2018, and the Bitfinex deal made it $3.40 in 2025. That way we can remember the new all-time high. But the real question is, when will XRP cross up? I hope this comes out as soon as the SEC case is over and XRP ETFs are legal. Lawyer Jeremy Hogan has said that the XRP ETF will not be approved until the Ripple SEC case is over, which is interesting. To put it another way, the fight between Ripple and the SEC needs to end before the ETF can be approved. If this happens, it will be a very nice event. Nasdaq is also waiting for the SEC to give its permission to offer Litecoin ETFs, XRP, and coin shares. Litecoin has grown by 18% in the last week, making it one of the best-performing assets. It is now higher than most of the Pinnacle 20 cryptocurrencies. The Litecoin ETF, the Solana ETF, and the XRP ETF are the three ETFs that could become popular very quickly. From what I can tell, the SEC is not having any problems with Litecoin. The SEC is worried about possible trading violations, but Litecoin is not on that list that I made earlier. This is because proof of effort is necessary for Litecoin to work. The POW system is no longer a country's proof that it has something. Also, the SEC is no longer looking into the book's author, Charlie Lee. The SEC no longer sees Bitcoin as a safety measure because POW is harder to label as such. The same logic applies to Litecoin and XRP ETFs, so they are a good idea. Nearly 2 weeks after CoinShare sent its requests to the SEC for spot ETFs on XRP and Litecoin, Nasdaq did the same. Form 19B4 was used to turn in these items. One important question is whether Solana, Litecoin, or XRP will be accepted first as an ETF. I like Litecoin because it doesn't have any problems with the SEC. ETF is better, but the XRP ETF is also going faster. We could also look at the Litecoin ETF through the XRP ETF once BlackRock accepts the Solana ETF. The XRP ledger is ready and all important assets will be turned into tokens. There are trillions of dollars on the line. It is thought that the world's banking system will be worth $115 trillion by 2025. The price of XRP could be a lot higher than it is now if tokenization happens. In my Telegram group, I talked about technical analysis in a lot of depth. On charts, I don't like charts with too many lines because they make it hard to see the planned course. Overall, the daily and weekly charts continue to show that the price is moving sideways with a downward bias, and I still think that the price will continue to move down. One expert says that XRP will go down to $1.53. Before we go after the $2.92 goal, we could test the key levels again at $1.92 and $1.88. The XRP system can now officially be used with Trust Wallet. It was clear that the person they were replacing, allowing more XRP-based tokens for customer interaction. Because of a hack into Satoshi-linked Bitcoin wallets, the CEO of Tether said that 100,000,000 BTC would be released into the market. This should end the current bull run in Bitcoin and cause the market for cryptocurrencies to crash. Thanks to quantum computer, this will definitely be possible in the future. Bitcoin can only hold $21 million, and if its protection is broken, it will cost at least $1 million. If the market gets too full, it could be a big deal. If Bitcoin hits $150,000 before a 73% drop, it could go down to about $30,000. In 2018, 80% of corrections in indoor markets happened. In 2017, 65% of corrections happened. So it's not impossible for a big correction to happen. See